It's time once again to Ask Dr. Science. So let's ask Dr. Science.
That's me.
Remember, he knows more than you do.
That's right.
Angling Andy from Ankeny, Iowa writes, Dear Dr. Science, I love to go fishing. I've been reading lately about the jet stream. Is fishing good in the jet stream?
Well, Andy, fishing in the jet stream is possible, but hard. First of all, your craft travels at the speed of sound, so your minnows and worms will be torn to pieces. Second, most stewardesses won't let you store minnows in the overhead compartment. Third, you have to get special permission from the FAA to cast from the wing, or even troll. Even if you do get permission, and even if you get a nibble, chances are good you'll fall to your death with the first tug on the line. And finally, Andy, the biggest obstacle to fishing in the jet stream is the lack of fish. You've been confusing air with water. They're two different things. The only thing you'll catch in space is a cold or a 747, neither of which are very good eating.
Thank you, Dr. Science.